In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam download speed drops to 0. If your downloads keep stalling or bouncing between normal speeds and 0, these quick fixes will help stabilize things and get you back to gaming. First, let's refresh Steam's connection by clearing the download cache. Open Steam and go to the top left menu, then choose Settings. In the sidebar, select Downloads. At the bottom of that page, click Clear Download Cache. Steam will warn you that it needs to restart. Confirm that, let Steam close, then open it again and sign back in. This removes temporary data that can get corrupted over time and cause downloads to freeze or loop. It won't delete your installed games or your library, it simply forces Steam to request fresh data from the servers, which resolves a large share of speed drops. Next, while you're still in the download settings, change your download region. Steam automatically picks a server, but the nearest one isn't always the most stable at a given moment. Open the download region drop-down and pick a nearby region or one you know is typically reliable for you. After selecting a different region, restart Steam to apply the change fully. If you still see dips to 0, try another nearby region and restart again. Small regional switches like this can bypass congested routes and instantly improve consistency. While you're in the same downloads section, make sure the limit download speed option is not enabled. If that box is checked or a limit is set, Steam will intentionally throttle your downloads. Uncheck it and apply the change so Steam can use your full available bandwidth whenever the server allows. Finally, if you're running a VPN, turn it off before downloading. VPNs can reroute your traffic through distant or busy nodes, add latency, or trigger server handoffs that look like sudden zero speed drops. Disabling the VPN during downloads gives Steam a direct, stable path to its content servers. If privacy is important to you, you can always re-enable the VPN after your download completes. Follow these steps in order, and you should see smoother, more reliable download speeds without those frustrating dips to 0. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.